It's a red Camaro. I don't know the year, so I don't want to say the wrong year, but it got Corleone forged wheels on there, man. Come check out the interior on this beautiful piece. All done by the customer. Not familiar what shop name he is, but he's located here locally in Fort Worth, Texas, the DFW Metroplex area. So, not sure if it's Fort Worth or Dallas. And he's did the Altieri 22s with the brush finish, chrome lip with the red letters. And I believe he got Wilwood or Brembos. Yeah, he got Wilwood calipers, brake calipers all the way around with the drilled and slotted rotors. You know, QA1 parts under suspension. Ain't that much room for me to get around, but this is the front. See that? Beautiful. Wilwood everything. Rotors to the calipers to the brake pads. I see it, bro. Thing beautiful though. I like these Camaros a lot, you know. Had to look at the interior. Customers here to change out 2 tires. One on the passenger front, one on the driver back. Look at these fools, man. What the hell y'all doing, bro? Shit. Got the Starlighter. Corleone Forge. What you posting, man? Posting a short? Yeah, go check him out, man. CG Forge, man. He posts every day. Every single day. But these are the wheels, man. Francisco. These are the wheels right here. Currently getting 2 tires, new tires mounted up. Yeah, man. It's real beautiful. We're gonna get it once it's out in the sun to get a better visual of the paint. Man, look at this. Over it look like a PC setup. Like the RGB all around, RGB in the headlights. Man, he ain't playing. Look at that. On the hoe. 304. That's crazy, bro. We got the RYG phasers on with the camo jeans on. Yep. Truck God CDL training. You gotta go check them out, man. If you need a CDL and BBLs. That's the most famous shit nowadays. They got some wire wheels here. Anyway, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long on this boring video. We're gonna get back with y'all once they have the wheels and tires mounted up. We're gonna get y'all a visual of it outside in the sun, see how it look with the red paint. I know I seen it, the RGB, man. You got it everywhere.
Good, bro.
Look good, huh?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. Not bad.
This one too.
I seen that one too. It's crazy. Anyway, that does it for right now. We'll be right back with y'all. Got everything mounted up on the Camaro. Listen to that thing chopped. That shit chopping. Just like that, customer in and out. There you gone. All righty, buddy.